In this video, I will explain the configurations for you. As we can see, there are different tools. Actually, tools for module 1. This is the module 1, this area. This area is the module 1. And this is the basic module, usually is for the EOT or POT tool, actually for cutting. And for packaging making, usually we would use two modules, one for cutting and another for creasing, for the folding line making. So this will be a standard configuration for the packaging customers. Between these two configurations, we will see there is a camera. Actually, this is not a standard. This is not CCD camera. Actually, it's not a standard tool. It is an optional because not every customer would require this tool. For example, just for cotton sample making. And this is the third module, and this is for the router. The router is for milling the acrylic, aluminum, or MDF, wood, things like that. So this is also a extra or optional tool. It's not a standard configuration because not every customer would require this tool. So we will see this is the module 1, module 2, and module 3. Actually, this is module 4, okay, the CCD camera. So let me clarify again. The basic tool, basic module is the module 1 for cutting tool, EOT or POT, either one of them. And for packaging making, this is the module 2. We would need a standard one would need the module 1 plus module 2, and this is the module 3, which is optional. It's not a standard tool, okay? But all the tools can happen on each machine. So different models, no matter which model it is, it can have these configurations, either 1, 2, or 3 modules. Just it depends on the customer's option, depends on the customer's demands. For example, we have models like 25 by 16, which means 2500 millimeters by 1600 millimeters, the effective working area, okay, 2.5 meters by 1.6, and this is a standard configuration, 1 EOT plus maybe creasing wheel or V cutter or something. There are only 2 modules, okay, and this model can have 3 modules, no problem, but with adding 1 more module like the router, the effective working width will be not 1.6 meter anymore. It will be 1.4 meters, because adding 1 more module will reduce the effective working area, working width on the beam, okay? Like another model like 1.8 by 1.3 meters. This model can also have a standard configuration like 1 EOT plus 1 a router. It can also have EOT by creasing wheel, and it can also have 3 module configuration like EOT, creasing wheel, and 1 more, the router. So the configurations, the modules, depends on the customer's demands. It's same for the smaller machines like 1.5 by 1.0 meter machine, 1510 or 1007. This means 1 meter by 0.7 meters. Like this is a basic configuration with only one module, but it can also have a standard configuration with two modules, one for cutting tool, another for creasing wheel. It can also have three modules with a router, no problem, but the router is not a standard configuration, so it will cause the effective working area be reduced by 20 centimeters. And if we choose three modules, and the effective working area will be like 50 centimeters, not 70 centimeters anymore. Okay. So these are the tools. One main cutting tool like EOT or POT, and the standard we should choose one cutting tool, either EOT or POT, with a creasing wheel, and the pen tool is also a standard module. Okay, standard tool. We can choose the V cutter on the module 2, no problem, but the router is optional tool. So we are clear right now, right? Module 1, module 2 standard, module 1 basic, and module 1, 2, 3, these are optional. So if you need anything, just tell me, and I will make the quotation for you. Thank you.